You'd think buying a Range Rover Sport means luxury, class, and that perfect daily flex, right? Well, think again, because this beast might just chew through your wallet faster than it hits 60. Today on DriveBeast, we're talking about SUVs that look good, feel rich, but secretly drain your bank account faster than a gas pump on payday. Number 1. Range Rover Sports. It's the poster child of luxury and pain. Nearly $9,900 in maintenance within 5 years. And that's before repair bills join the party. Some owners report paying $2,000 just for an oil change. That's the kind of number that makes you rethink life choices. Depreciation? A nosedive. Sure, it's got presence and prestige, but long-term, it's more love-hate, emphasis on hate. Number 2. Cadillac Escalade. Massive, powerful machine have 6.2-liter V8 engine dripping with presence and one of the most expensive SUVs to own. Maintenance? Over $10,000 in 5 years. Total 5-year cost? Around $90,000. That's not an SUV, that's a financial gym membership and you're the treadmill. Oh, and driving it in the city? Feels like steering a cruise ship through a drive-thru. Number 3. Toyota Corolla. Cross. Now here's a curveball. Normally Toyota means bulletproof reliability, but the Corolla Cross? Not so much. Maintenance is fair, around $3,600 in 5 years, but it doesn't deliver the power or presence of a real SUV. It's basically a tall hatchback pretending to be tough. Reliable, yes, but if you expected an SUV experience, this one's more like decaf coffee. Number 4. Toyota Venza. A stylish hybrid that looks like it'll save you money until you start paying for it. 5-year maintenance sits near $4,700, and hybrid components can drain your wallet fast. Owners even report dealerships upselling random services just to cash in. It's comfy and tech-filled, sure, but this isn't an SUV built for adventure. It's a suburban shuttle in SUV clothing. Now we have last SUV, the Toyota Sequoia. Now, most of people hate me when I'm talking to this bad boy, but listen. The family-sized heavyweight champion of disappointment. Maintenance. $4,200 depreciation. Nearly $33,000 in 5 years. And with recall issues affecting hundreds of thousands of units, that dream SUV quickly turns into a driveway regret. Big, bold, but not smart for your wallet. That's the Sequoia story. Now, there you have it. 5 SUVs that look luxurious but secretly cost a fortune to keep alive. Some fail in reliability, some in practicality, and some just in common sense. What's your favorite? Tell me in comment box or hit that like button if you love honest breakdowns, and subscribe to DriveBeast because next time we're exposing the most overrated cars of 2025. Bye.